Assalamualaikum to Dr. Nana and my fellow friends. My name is Nurhani Khalillah. Today, me and my group members are going to present to you about blockchain. Meaning of the blockchain. Blockchain is an innovative technology that serves as a decentralization and secure method of recording information. Introduction for blockchain. As we know, blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger shared by many participants where records are permanently stored in the linked blocks. It ensures transparency, security, and immutability with transaction validation through consensus without the need for a central authority. So, I will explain how the blockchain is formed. So, firstly is block. Blocks, as we know, is a digital page on the notebook. Second is new block. So, every time the new information is added, like transaction or data, it goes to a new block. And then, change of block is where these blocks are linked together in order to make a change of blocks. There are 4 key points of blockchain. Firstly is decentralization. Decentralization is no single authority control of the blockchain, meaning that many people share the responsibility. And the second one is transparency. Transparency is where everyone can share, everyone can see and verify the transaction on the blockchain. And thirdly is immutability, is once data is added, it can be changed or deleted. And lastly is security, where the blockchain use strong protection and method to keep the data safe and to prevent the fraud.
The purpose of blockchain is to securely record and share data in a way that builds trust without needing a middleman. It achieves trust through technology by using encryption and consensus methods to make data tamper-proof. Blockchain provides enhanced transparency and traceability since all transactions are visible and recorded in order, allowing users to track every step. It enables the elimination of intermediaries, meaning people or businesses can deal directly without relying on banks or brokers. Smart contracts are used to automate processes. These are self-executing agreements that carry out actions once set conditions are met. With its wide range of applications, blockchain is now used in finance, supply chain, healthcare, voting system, and more to improve efficiency and security.
Here's some example of the blockchain. The most well-known application of blockchain is cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Blockchain allows users to send digital money directly to one another without needing a bank or financial institution. Transactions are secure, transparent, and tamper-proof. For second one is supply chain transparency. Blockchain is used to ensure supply chain's transparency. For example, companies can track the journey of a diamond or a vegetable from the farm or mine all the way to the consumer. This ensures product authenticity, reduces fraud, and increases safety. Blockchain also enables smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts where the terms are written in code. They automatically perform actions like transferring property or processing insurance claims when conditions are met, reducing human error and delays. Another important use is digital identity verification. Blockchain can store and manage our personal identities securely and privately online, reducing identity theft and giving users more control over their data. In the financial sector, blockchain helps streamline cross-border payments, settlements, and clearing processes. It reduces costs, increases speed, and makes the entire process more efficient and transparent. Blockchain also can be used in voting systems. With its tamper-proof structure, blockchain ensures election transparency and prevents vote manipulation, making digital voting more secure and trustworthy. In healthcare, blockchains enables secure sharing of patient data among hospitals and clinics. This allows for better coordination while protecting patient privacy and giving them more control over their medical records. For asset ownership and DeFi, blockchain is used to verify assets ownership and enable decentralized finance or DeFi. It tracks the history and ownership of items like artwork and luxury goods. DeFi platforms allows users to borrow land and trade assets without needing a traditional bank.
Application of blockchain. The first one is finance. Blockchain transforms financial service by enabling secure, transparent, and real-time transaction. It supports enterprise transformation through smart contract and risk management by reducing fraud and ensuring data integrity. The second one is IoT. Internet of Things. In IoT, blockchain supports business by enabling secure device-to-device transaction and enhance safety and privacy by protecting user data from unauthorized access. The third one is public and social service. Government can be used blockchain for land registration to prevent fraud, promote energy saving via smart grid, and improve education through verified digital credential. The fourth is reputation system. Blockchain ensures trustworthy reputation system in academic. Example like verified degree and web community where user trust score can be tampered with. The last but not least is security and privacy. Blockchain enhance security by decentralizing data storage and protect privacy through encryption and user control access.
I am going to present about pros and cons of blockchain. First, pros of blockchain is decentralization. Blockchain operates on a distributed network of computers rather than depending on a central authority like only one person can access. This means no single entity controls the system, making it more democratic and secure against manipulation. It reduces single points of failure, so even if one part of the system goes down, the rest can still function properly. Data redundancy is improved, meaning the same piece of information is stored in multiple places. This helps protect against data loss and increase reliability. If one node fails or is corrupted, the information can still be accessed from others. Second, security and transparency. Blockchain acts like a super safe digital notebook where once information is written, it cannot be erased or changed easily. It uses advanced cryptographic techniques like digital signature to protect data, making it tamper-resistant and trustworthy. Each block contains a unique identifier UID and links to the previous block, which creates a secure chain that's nearly impossible to alter without detection like a super safe information keeping place. Transparency. Every participant has access to the same data in real time, but it's almost impossible to change the past or hide transactions. This promotes honesty and accountability among others. Cons of blockchain. First, complexity. Blockchain is a complex and specialized technology that requires deep understanding of cryptography, distributed system, and programming. Because it is still relatively new, there are not many professionals who are fully skilled in building or maintaining blockchain systems. This shortage of talent makes it harder for companies to develop blockchain solutions, potentially increasing the cost and time for implementation. Second, scalability challenges. As more people use blockchain, more transactions are added, making the entire system larger and more difficult to manage efficiently. Every node in the network has to store and verify every transaction, which can slow down the network significantly compared to traditional systems like credit card networks or centralized database. These scalability issues can lead to longer processing times and higher fees, especially during periods of high usage. That's all from me. Thank you.